Understanding Beadlock Wheels, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating automotive term, beadlock wheels. This might be a new phrase for many of you, and it's definitely an interesting one to learn, especially if you're interested in cars and mechanics. Let's dive in. Beadlock wheels are a specialized type of wheel used primarily on off-road vehicles. The key feature of a beadlock wheel is its ability to secure the tire to the rim. This is different from standard wheels, where the tire is simply pressed onto the wheel. In beadlock wheels, a mechanical device, known as the beadlock, clamps the bead of the tire to the wheel. This ensures that the tire stays in place, even under extreme conditions like low tire pressures or high torque situations. The primary purpose of beadlock wheels is to prevent the tire from slipping off the rim. This is crucial in off-roading scenarios where vehicles often encounter uneven terrain, steep inclines, and other challenging conditions. By firmly attaching the tire to the wheel, beadlock wheels provide enhanced traction and stability. They are particularly beneficial when the tire pressure is intentionally lowered to increase the tire's footprint for better grip. Beadlock wheels consist of several key components: the wheel itself, the beadlock ring, and the bolts. The beadlock ring is fitted onto the outer edge of the wheel, and it physically clamps the tire's bead onto the wheel. The bolts around the perimeter of the beadlock ring are tightened to apply pressure, ensuring that the bead of the tire is locked in place. This structure is what makes beadlock wheels distinct and effective for off-road use. Like any specialized equipment, beadlock wheels have their advantages and disadvantages. The major advantage is improved safety and performance in off-road conditions. However, there are downsides too. Beadlock wheels can be more expensive than standard wheels, and they require more maintenance. Additionally, due to their design, they are not always suitable for high-speed driving on regular roads. We hope this video has helped you understand what beadlock wheels are and why they're important in the world of off-road driving. Remember, learning new terms, especially technical ones, can greatly enhance your English vocabulary and comprehension skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting topics in our future videos.